Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut off some section of videos from your video. First of all, you go to your Play Store, then you search for video converter. You click on video converter, then you install this app. Already on my phone, I've already have it installed. So I go to my file manager, I open the app. So this is the app. This app is called Video Converter. You can see there are a lot of work inside. We have video converter, we have video converter, we have output, we have audio converter. But here you can try the rest functions. So I'm going to show you how to use the app to cut a portion of video. Click on video cutter. So after clicking on video cutter, you import your video, any video that you wish to cut some part. So let me import one of my video, a short video for that matter. So let me import this one. So I've import my video. So here we have two sections here, this one and this one. So if you click on here, this one, here they ask you to select start time. So you select the time where you want to start the cutting from. So let me say I want to start the cutting from, let me say 50 seconds, from 50 minutes, then 20 seconds. Click on OK. Let me say I'm selecting it from, let me say 1 minute to 20 seconds. Click on OK. Then you go to the other side, which is here, end time. So where do you want your video cutting to end? So let me say the video cutting should end at exactly 2 minutes. Go to seconds. Okay. You can see now the video, the section I want to remove has already been highlighted. You understand? So now you click on remove. You click on either remove or you click on cut. So the function of this remove selected and fast cut is that if you click on cut, once you click on cut, it's going to cut inverse. You understand? It will cut inverse, but most time you use remove selected, so you off your fast cut. And after that, you click on save video. Okay, if you want to change the name, I don't want to change the name, so I click on OK. You can see now. Okay, now as we can see, the video processing successful. So you click on